Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV Tech. Today I want to show you some basic video editing skills using CapCut. This is Windows version. I am on my PC and I am using Windows 11. Of course, CapCut is one of the newest tools, if that English is right. It's a new tool for video editing, and it has really become so popular because it has it has a quick interface, and anyone can use it without any professional video editing background, because people used to edit videos with Adobe Premiere Pro like this that I have. I usually edit my videos on Adobe uh, Premiere Pro, but I also have this CapCut because I always love to explore new technologies, because being a tech person, you should always get used to any technology that comes up. And if you look at CapCut, it's really very simple to use. If you have ever edited videos using Premiere Pro, you can't really have any problems editing here. And even without any prior video editing knowledge, you can still use CapCut to edit videos. So there's a video here, I want to edit it. So basically, after opening your CapCut like this is the same interface I think you also see on your mobile device. It has this create project button that you just press, and you wait for it to start up the project. The interface is being loaded. Wait a minute. So the interface is loading here. So this is the interface. This is the basic interface. It really has limited tools. You might really use this for just simple editing, because there are advanced features softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro have that I don't see here on this software. I think this software was just created to simplify video editing for people who want to edit video very fast and upload. So what you do, you just click here on this import area, and then it will take you to your desktop. So not really desktop, but your Windows where you keep your videos. So I'll just pick on this, then I'll open it. So once it is here, you can just drag it from there, and then you drop it here. You see here the right drag material here and start to create. So you drag it, you drop it here. So your video will appear up here. Now I want to do what? I want to add an audio to this. So there's this button that says mute track. That means you are going to mute the original audio that you have in this video. So I don't want this original audio. I want to import an audio from outside. So I'll come to my browser, then I'll carry this audio, then I drop it here, down here. So you can see the audio is here. Now I now have a new audio for this video, so we can start editing. I'll just Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV. So there's that part I want to there's that part I want to remove. So if you want to zoom in or out, you come here, there's this zoom out and then there's zoom in. So I'll click on the plus button to zoom in, and then where you want to chop, it will show you this line. So where this line is standing or sitting, you just tap on this split. When you split here, it will I think we splitted something else. So we splitted the audio, and yet I wanted to split the video. So when you have done something and you want to undo it, you just click on this undo, or Ctrl Z. You undo it. So let's click on video. Once it has been highlighted, you click on the split, and then you tap on the part you want to remove. You can simply tap delete on your keyboard, or you come here to this delete button, you delete it. You see immediately after deleting it, the video will jump to sync, or it will come in line with the audio, and yet I want the video to remain where it is. So you just grab the video, you drag it here. This is where I want the video to start from. Now you realize when I do this, the video will jump back. When I do this, the video will jump back. The reason is we have this button which is checked, that is turn main track magnet. It is called the main track magnet. When this thing is checked, the video and audio will always stay in the same line, or they will start from the same point. So you need to uncheck it. After unchecking it, you can drag your video alone and bring it. Now the video is standing alone. So if I start the audio will start without the video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulu TV Tech. Just like that. So this is basically the simplest thing you can do with this CapCut software. So if you want to delete any other part in the middle of your project, you can still do it. Is there any part I really want to delete? I do not see any part. Maybe towards the end here, yes, there's a part here I want to delete. So you go to the plus sign, you drag this, you drag it where you want to delete, and then you have to add a select. If you want to delete audio, you select audio. If you want to delete video, you select video. You come to split, it will split, and then you pick the part that you want to delete. You click on delete, so it will basically delete that. Now I want to put something between this audio and the video bar. So I want to drag this video up like this. Then I'll come to my images. I want this screenshot, this desktop screenshot. I'll just bring it here and drop it here. Now it is here. You just drag all the way to the start. Now I want to bring it here, so that when the video is when the audio starts to play, it will only show this window, then the video will join a bit later, but you can see it is leaving some black spots. That means the scale is not covering the whole screen. So you come to this scale part. Default is 100, so you can adjust with this bar. You see this, you can adjust. So I'll just adjust like this. Then you can move them. Maybe you can move to, if this is x axis, it here when you tap on these things it will move it in x axis, and then when you tap on this it will move in y axis. So for me, I want to move it on this y axis like this. So this is okay for me. Basically this is it. And if I start to play this video, you see, welcome back to Lulwa TV Tech. How have you been? Today I have a simple question that I want to pose to you guys about the program. You see, this is it. And I am okay with this video already. There's nothing much I want to add. So if you want to save this video, much as there are so many other effects you can add here, but for me they are not really necessary because I just want to do basic editing. So I'll just come to export. When you click on this export button, it will give you some of these details you can input. For example, the video resolution. For me, I set it up to 4K. And then the bit rate, I set it higher. The codec is always the same as Premiere Pro. The format is MP4. Frame rate is 30 FPS. So then it is going to export both the video and the audio. So if you're okay with these settings, you basically click on export, and it will start exporting your video. And one thing I like about this software is it is very fast. So if you have a very heavy video that you want to really edit very fast and in a basic way, you can do it with this, and it will still give you the recommended quality, because basically it depends on these settings you give. So if you set it to the real resolution of the video you captured, it will give you that quality. So this is it, and this is basically what I wanted to show to you. I believe this can help you because it's a generation where almost everyone is becoming an IT person. Oh, there's a way you always put your hands on videos and you want to edit it quick without having a professional video editing knowledge. You can do this actually the same way you do it on your mobile device, is almost the same way you do it on your computer. They share similar interface, only that the mobile interface might be a bit easier for people because they are used to mobile apps. But yes, that is it from me to you today. If you found this useful, please do subscribe to Lulwa TV Tech, and I see you in the next one. Thank you so much.